If Steam won't open, keeps running in the background, or closes immediately after launching, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. Let's go through the most effective solutions. Solution 1. Close Steam completely. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for Steam or Steam Client Bootstrapper. If you see any Steam processes running, right-click them and select End Task. Then try opening Steam again. Solution 2. Run Steam as administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as administrator. This can fix permission issues that prevent Steam from launching correctly. If Steam opens normally, you can set it to always run as administrator through its Properties menu. Solution 3. Clear the Steam cache. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R. Type steam://flush_config and press Enter. Confirm the prompt, then restart your computer. This clears Steam's configuration cache without uninstalling your games. Solution 4. Verify Windows and Steam updates. Make sure Windows is fully updated and that you're using the latest version of Steam. Outdated system files or an incomplete Steam update can sometimes prevent the client from opening properly. If Steam still won't launch after trying these solutions, reinstall the Steam client. Your installed games can usually be detected again after reinstalling, so you won't necessarily need to download everything from scratch. Those are the quickest ways to fix Steam not opening in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which solution worked for you.